It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Elevation Edition. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage, and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we have our options appear on the dash. We've got off-road mode, sport mode, and normal. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, as well as the park brake. Rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons and heated steering wheel button. And on the right side, we have our audio controls and voice commands. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we have OnStar. This is GMC's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it's also equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This screen also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. We've also got hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, the auto stop start button, tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the trailer brake, and some USB ports and power plug-ins. To the left here is our engine push start button. Simply apply pressure to the brake while holding the button down to start the truck. At the front of the Elevation Edition, we have the painted grille surround and bumper, LED headlamps, fog lights, black tow hooks, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, running boards down below. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. This truck also comes with the X31 Offroad Package. It's got all-terrain tires, off-road suspension, hill descent control, a 2-speed transfer case, skid plates, dual exhaust, and a high-capacity air filter. This truck also has the CornerStep bumpers. Those CornerSteps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has the easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob here, push that button twice to drop our tailgate down. It's also got the MultiPro tailgate step. So by pushing 2 additional buttons, we're able to drop that step down with ease. The box of the truck has cargo hooks. We've also got LED box lighting. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. On the backs of both front seats, we've got cloth seat pockets. The back of our center console has 2 cup holders, the rear fans, some USB and USB-C plug-ins, rubber floor mats on the floor, and we're able to raise these rear seats up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.